We welcome our foreign coach, Mr. Mikola from Ukraine, all the other players, our assistant coach Alfred, our manager Denzi. This year there was a new kind of an induction where they had asked for 5 foreigners on field. Earlier it used to be only 3 foreigners plus 1 Asian. But this year it has been 4 foreigners and 1 Asian. So I think the whole media was also quite concerned that when are Churchill Brothers foreigners coming. But by God's grace, they have all reached and they are going to play this season. More important, which I wanted to say, is because the team is leaving tomorrow as the first match is in Shillong Lajong. So the team leaves tomorrow and they are going to be away till the 16th of December. And then 19th of December is going to be our first match in Goa. It's a matter of pride for Churchill Brothers always to represent Goa, to give everybody a representation. This year it has been a little more, I should say, difficult because the leagues have been at the same time. So, getting players, there was an auction and it was a real journey. But I am very proud to say that Ricardo is a Goan and he's our goalkeeper and he's done extremely well last season also, and I have a lot of faith in him. We are trying to have something more for all the fans, where we are trying to give a bike for every match. Bike.
Sports bike.
Sports bike. Sorry? Housey. A kind of a housey with the tickets.
Last year it's many people now it's changed. This team is a new one. Many players go out. Many players come in. But you understand, have Pro League Goa and National League. It's very difficult. You understand, it's difficult. But we prepare this team for A League. Plus come foreigner. Our motivation. Football have 3 results: draw, lose, and win. Exactly, if you think about another results, not win, you exactly lose this game. Motivation for every game about Pro League Goa, A League, National League, must think only about win.
Churchill Brothers family, my humble request to the press: support us by your esteemed coverage and your support, and by which we won't let you down with the players. We are working very hard and hope we are having a good season.